Hey, it's Sunday the 21st of July, and I am here in sunny yet very windy Mackay. Yes, there's a very strong airstream come up the country. It's actually affected the southeastern states, New South Wales, Victoria and South Australia as well. Very vigorous winds and an early dump of snow, I'm told. So yeah, we've got the tail end of it here. It arrived basically at 8 o'clock this morning, and you can certainly hear whistling and stuff through all the riggings and masts here at a marina, as you can imagine. So yeah, I think it's going to be a bit of an admin catch-up day, laundry and stuff. I may go into Mackay tomorrow. Well, I will. I've booked a car. They've got Rent-A-Wreck here, which is cool. And go and get the shopping done, have a look around. I might go for a walk later on, but yeah, at the moment it just doesn't feel very inviting to go out in that wind. But anyway, things to do, and yeah, let's see what the day brings. You never know. Well, the breeze has died down somewhat here at Mackay Marina.
Mackay Marina.
Just going out and doing some of the admin stuff. Got the light on. I'll go and find myself some lunch.
It's a working port.
Right
There's this pool,
so
and then there's the main pool.
Yeah, this looks promising down this way. Here we are at the lighthouse.
Lighthouse behind that, basically,
coming back last night.
This wind was coming and everybody came back.
Yeah, so day one in Mackay, it really is time to do a bit of admin work, so I'll get that underway. What does that consist of? First off, I've got shore power, and I don't have a direct connection to the boat, but this is where I just charge up all my devices basically, and standby batteries, things that carry me across when solar power is really not happening. The other thing is water. Okay, I like to carry a fair bit. This is the tank I keep in the galley. So basically the blue tanks, this, which I fill from the blue tanks, strangely enough, which I keep up on the stern. Okay, so those tanks there basically are my drinking water. I do have water in the tanks in the boat, but I don't tend to use that for drinking, so good for doing dishes and stuff like that. Okay, so here we are in the galley. I've got a bit of non-stick stuff which I just put down on there, and that's what I put my drinking water canister on whilst I'm in port or at anchor. The tap you see there comes from the main water tank of the boat, the one, as said, I don't use for drinking. Okay, so there we go, our 15-litre canister, ready for drinking water. When I go to sea, I basically put that tank in the sink so it doesn't move, because you can bet your bottom dollar it won't be where you left it by the time you get to port. The other great thing to do when you're in the marina is to get your laundry done. So all fresh and clean and ready for more salt. Yeah, just got to put it away, that's all. Thank you for watching another Fast Forward to Queensland video. As always, don't forget to like, comment on YouTube and subscribe to Dawn Radar.